Will an increase in the XRP fee boost XRP's price? By the way, how is Ripple using XRP ledger code to create private blockchains for CBDCs? Finally, to the big question of the day, is Judge Annalisa Torres likely to side with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission in its case against Ripple? Stick with me till the end, guys, to learn more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of March. The Ripple Labs and U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit is edging to an end after Judge Annalisa Torres released her ruling on the motion filed by both parties to rule out expert testimony. This was disclosed in a tweet by attorney James K. Fillon, sharing a copy of the judge's ruling. In her Daubert motion ruling, the judge denied and granted a motion in part from both parties. Attorney John E. Deaton, the founder of Crypto Law and a representative of thousands of XRP holders as a friend of the case, has disclosed that he does not expect any significant delay from the judge to give her ruling on the summary judgment motion. According to him, the judge could release her ruling as early as tonight or in a few weeks. Judge Annalisa Torres has granted Ripple's motion to exclude testimony from a so-called expert witness called by the SEC, while she has also denied the regulator's motion to revoke the amicus status of popular XRP advocate John E. Deaton. This confirms suspicions that the SEC's case isn't especially strong and that the judge may reach a judgment that enables Ripple to continue its business as before. XRP's indicators are close to a bottom, signaling that it's due a rebound sooner or later. Its 30-day moving average has recently fallen below its 200-day average, and the further it sinks, the more likely a recovery rally becomes. At the same time, XRP's relative strength index has dropped to 40, indicating it's close to becoming oversold. The key resistance level today is 37 cents, a price which may signal further gains if XRP could decisively break through it. Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz has lent his opinion to a suggestion to raise the cost of transaction fees on the XRP ledger to reflect the value of transactions and boost the XRP price. In a series of tweets yesterday, Schwartz gave his opinion while explaining his stance. Schwartz noted that though he responded in the affirmative to the poll, he did not believe that transaction fees should be utilized to manipulate the price of XRP artificially. However, he conceded that transaction costs needed to reflect the actual cost it imposes on the network for more efficient resource allocation. Furthermore, Schwartz disclosed that he did not want the network to lose its edge as a low-cost, high-speed transaction blockchain. Nonetheless, he asserted that he did not also want node operators subsidizing transaction fees. My thinking is that if the TXN fee is less than the actual cost of a TXN, then we'll be destroying value by executing TXNS and discouraging people from running nodes, Schwartz surmised. Whereas if the fee is more than the cost, we're adding needless friction. The XRPL is favored in payments due to its cheap and fast transactions. The average transaction on the network costs less than 1 cent, taking 3 to 5 seconds to complete. Despite these advantages over other leading blockchain networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the price of XRP has languished, with its all-time high formed in 2018, compared to other leading assets that reached new highs in 2021. While most have attributed this to the uncertainty surrounding the token in the United States due to the Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Ripple, alleging XRP to be an unregistered security, others have also questioned the network's value proposition. The cryptocurrency trades for 37 cents, up 2.51% in the last 24 hours at press time. XRP permabulls have asserted that the asset will kick off a new bull market phase this year. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about DexPool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider. Known as a market maker, it's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, you receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use DexPool. Automatic compounding refers to a blockchain asset management protocol, which uses optimization techniques and data analytics to automatically combine rewards and achieve the highest possible compound interest rate. These protocols reinvest in LP users' returns or participation, usually one or more per day, to maximize APY. It is important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through DeSpool. In addition, the benefits of this type of long-term investments are numerous. First, because you are getting rewards while your cryptocurrencies remains in staking. Then, because decentralized platforms being based on blockchains coordinate cryptoasset trading on a large scale and among many users and do it entirely through automated algorithms. DexPool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. According to a recent tweet, Ripple is currently working on deploying private blockchains of the XRP ledger code to be used by central banks in developing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and other similar use cases from Matt Hamilton, a former principal developer advocate at Ripple Labs. Hamilton emphasized that these versions of the XRP ledger are not yet live, as the Federation Code is still in the works. The Federation Code is a component of the XRPL software that enables cross-border payments by routing payments between different payment networks using Federation addresses. It essentially acts as a bridge between the XRP ledger and external networks. The recent disclosure is in sync with an official announcement from Ripple in March 2021. The Silicon Valley firm revealed that it was piloting a private version of the XRP ledger, which central banks can leverage in issuing and managing CBDCs. Monica Long, president of Ripple, also highlighted the development in March 2021, noting that CBDCs will live on these new private ledgers. At the time, Hamilton further shed light on the structure of the private ledgers, explaining that every financial institution would operate its distinct private ledger. However, all of these private ledgers would be interconnected with the public XRP ledger, which would function as a bridge linking them together. Hamilton's latest statement aimed to refute ongoing rumors suggesting the existence of a distinct XRP token on private versions of XRPL that have already been deployed. These rumors have alleged that the different XRP tokens hold diverse values and are being utilized by banks and other financial institutions on the ODL platform. The former Ripple director stressed that this is false, and the only place XRP exists is on the public XRP ledger. Some individuals pointed out that Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, mentioned a private ledger for institutional clients during a speech at the World Economic Forum in 2019. However, Hamilton clarified that Garlinghouse was referring to RippleNet and that these private ledgers have not yet been implemented. Now to the big question of the day. Is Judge Annalisa Torres likely to side with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in its case against Ripple? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Crypto law founder attorney John E. Deaton has refuted claims that Judge Annalisa Torres is part of the deep state and, as such, is likely to side with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission in its case against Ripple. These claims come as the federal judge recently dismissed a case against two correctional officers who admitted to falsifying records on the night of Jeffrey Epstein's death. His death, while awaiting trial on August 10, 2019, at the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York, has continued to be the subject of controversy. For one, on the night of Epstein's death, the guards failed to check on the alleged sex trafficker every half hour as directed. Secondly, two cameras in front of his cell reportedly malfunctioned. Consequently, Judge Torres dismissing this case has raised eyebrows within the XRP community. Some now speculate that the judge is part of the alleged cover-up and out to protect the government's interests, in which case, she would likely give a ruling in favor of the SEC in the case against Ripple over whether XRP is an unregistered security. Absolutely not true, Deaton said in a tweet yesterday refuting these speculations. The attorney representing thousands of XRP holders as a friend of the court in the long-running legal battle between the SEC and Ripple pointed out that the reports indicate that Judge Torres only dismissed the case because prosecutors had reached a plea deal with the guards. As reported by CNN, the guards entered deferred prosecution agreements in May. The latest speculations come as the Ripple case awaits a summary judgment ruling which pundits like Deaton say could come at any moment now. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderety has let slip that the blockchain payments company would immediately appeal the case if the court rules in favor of the SEC. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, Please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.